Good morning to you. The birds are chirping.
I know.
Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Good morning to you. The birds are
Look at this nigga bird. Look at this nigga bird.
I never took down your number. Hey, I'm cool. I like you. You like me. It's my birthday. We're Sagittarius. You flex on my shoulder.
It's his birthday now.
Yo, shoulder.
Hey, I don't like that face. Be happy you be taking your oldest out.
I'm older. That's my son.
You are. That's cool, man.
Hey, baby, it's a compliment. Come on now.
That's my
That
son.
means you look
These
very
are
young.
both my
I
sons.
know
This is my son. This is my grandchild.
You need like 10 sons. Yes, you do. Right now. I'll be your daughter for you tonight, baby.
No. You can be my mama.
Well, that's better than doing.
It's cool.
That's mama's
It's
better.
cool.
Mama's better than a daughter.
Always better.
It's good.
I'll be your mama, baby. You fun tonight, baby? You having fun?
I don't know. Are you?
I am now.
Hey, see,
Oh, he got your muscle. This muscle right here. It's your muscle. It's your muscle. He has your back. Woo! Woo! My baby's taking care of you. Woo!
This is not my baby.
This is my baby.
Shoot up 223, deep. Watch me shoot up way on the street. Lost a whole 100 band with the heat. I'ma die for my clan, glue cut me. Diamond red like a motherfucker cut me. And I smoke rusty and dusty. What are you doing in this game? I wanna know what are you doing in this game? Baby girl, what you doing out here? What the fuck are you doing out here? Hey, I know what you're doing out here. I know what you're doing out here. Killing bitch, killing nigga. Cook a lot of white lights over your figure. Hey, baby girl, give me the truck. Hey, should I shine my nigga? Fine nigga with a push out kid. I ain't looking for the swoop. I need a bitch who got me. I want a bitch with some look. Who gon' take care of me? I need to make some more kids. Sweat forever you did. I won't stop getting money forever you did. And I ain't talking about a shit.
Got all both of the fries, right?
You gotta get a selfie stick, bro. It's everything. I love you. Y'all have to take it easy.
Nigga bird, he got his fucking cover. Boy, he about to owe this nigga $5. Cause bird is about to go knock on his fucking door across the way right now. Hold on. Hey, look at bird. What's going on? Hey Roy, you about to owe this nigga $5 cause I got it on tape. Oh, you think he ain't? He knocked on it twice. He coming back right now. I got it on tape though, so you gotta owe me $250 and him $250. So what you just do, Bird?
I can go like 2 or 3, 4 times, bro.
Bird!
I don't know. I'm telling you the defense.
My nigga Bird. Tell him what to do, Bird. 2-800. Murder Dubs. With his motherfucking clothes on. My nigga Bird drowning.